Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we have the half roll back. And it's a pre-Pilates exercise for a lot of exercises, so let's talk about it. So if you're watching this from the OPC deck of flashcards, thanks for using them. If you didn't know, I have a deck of flashcards you could take with you anywhere. It has all the mat exercises, including this one and another pre-Pilates one, to help you get Pilates into your body wherever you are. So the half roll back, to me, is a really esoteric exercise. So I want to make it not so esoteric for you. I really want you to feel something. So that's why I made the elbow slip video. So definitely check that one out. Well, you can pull that card out and look at it. It helps you feel where your center is from. The half roll back is a really good replacement for the roll up, teaser, rolling like a ball. However, if you're doing it from your arms, you're not going to get what you need. Okay. So you want to place your feet and knees together, hands grab your thighs, and you round back and you round up. Here's what I typically see though. That's not it. So your hands are here if you need them. Ideally, they're in front of you because they'll be there for the roll up. I like palms down, and you want your shoulders on your back. So no armgina in like reaching from your pecs, okay? So you round back, plant your lower back, and then keep your lower back pulling back as you come up. So at no point does my tailbone stick out behind me. Your feet stay heavy and roll up. 2 more. Last one. Good. Fun, right? It's really nice. It's a good way to stretch the back out if you really need a little bit more warming up before you hit your mat practice. Like if starting with the 100 is like just too much for you, then start with that elbow slip half roll back and then replace any exercise that's too much with those until you can replace it with something else. I'm Lesley Logan. I really love teaching Pilates to people who are new, who have been doing Pilates for years. I have an entire community that's dedicated to people who just love making time for their Pilates practice, and I want you in it. So go to onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.